In this practical work section, we will have to do DC power supply. Step-down transformer were used to convert from 120 volt to 12 volt. We will use bridge rectifier to get pulse-setting DC wave. Then, in filter section we will have DC ripple between 10 to 12 volt. While in voltage regulator section, we will have trim 5 volt DC. Finally we'll have the DC current at load section. Here is the internal connection of protoboard. Be ensure we have the correct connection during the installations. We will need some of components. We will need 4 units of diode IN4001 or IN4100 ohm resistor. 47 microfarad electrolytic capacitor. 100 microfarad electrolytic capacitor. Regulator LM7805, which will perform positive 5 volt. Light emitting diode. In this practical work section, we will have to do DC power supply. The installation must be followed as shown in this diagram. First, we have to put the first diode. Second diode. Make sure to put at correct polarity. Then third diode. Finally, place the last diode. Therefore we'll have bridge rectifier circuit. In filter section, we need to place 100 microfarad electrolytic capacitor in parallel order, along with 100 ohm resistor. We will use LM7805 regulator IC, which will be placed in series. Finally place 47 microfarad electrolytic capacitor as low. Use LED which placed in parallel with electrolytic capacitor as indicator. Use jumper wires to complete the circuit. Make sure we have to check all connection before connecting to transformer. Now connect to step-down transformer. Finally we have already constructed complete DC power supply circuit. Next we have to do the measurement for each point. Make sure an oscilloscope have been calibrated and then measure all required test points.